This is destroying Kenny!
What's happening? I don't know.
You want to try?
That's okay, you get 3 rings.
3 rings. That's only 2 rings, don't worry.
Can you grab it?
Can you grab it? Good job!
Are you happy to see me?
Yeah.
Oh, good! I'm happy to see you too. I'm over here and see some views.
I just solved my riddle.
I think you would really like it.
I can't see, dude.
It won't be long. Alright, what do you say,
A little impossible for you.
You got some candy.
Okay, go get some candy, Tegan.
Here. Hey, come in here.
But we will be looking for a very fierce creature. And there is a little part of me that hopes we don't find it.
Sucker's right over there. Sucker!
No, you do pick it up.
Come on, guys. There they go.
You think you know what that one is? Did you grab one?